Hello all NEET aspirants, welcome to our channel Zyner NEET UG, India's smartest counseling and guidance portal. Today we are going to discuss about few points about the barred items and the dress code which has to be followed on your examination day. Let's have a look. The first thing is the candidate will be subjected to extensive and compulsory frisking before entering the examination center with the help of highly sensitive metal detectors. So please be mentally prepared for it. You will be entitled to a heavy physical examination before you enter into the examination center. So be mentally prepared for that. And now let's look into the items which are barred inside the center. The first thing is any items like textual material, printed or written, bits of paper are not allowed. So be sincere in your approach, be sincere in your thoughts, be cool and approach your exam. And especially stationery items like geometry boxes, pencils, plastic pouch, calculator, pen, scale, writing pads are not allowed. You would be knowing that all these stationery items are not allowed, and even the pen, blue or black, will be provided by the examination center itself. So you would be given that. Any other items you are not allowed to carry. And pen drives, eraser, calculator, log table, electronic pen scanner, it is also not allowed. And second thing is any communication devices like mobile phones, Bluetooth, earphones, microphone, pager, then health bands are also not allowed, because now many students may be wearing that. It is not allowed inside the examination center. Other valuable items like wallet, goggles, handbag, belt is not allowed. Please make a check on this. All these valuable items, it is not allowed inside the examination center. So make sure you are not carrying it, and if in case you are carrying it, there will be no provision will be given by the examination center to keep all those things. So better avoid it, or if somebody is accompanying you, you can give those things to them. And even cap is not allowed, belt is not allowed, watches are not allowed, and bracelet, camera, everything is not allowed. Any ornaments, metal or any fancy items, it is barred. And food items are barred, and even water bottle is also barred. But in some cases, if you request them, or if any specific situations, you can ask them for a water bottle. And especially food items are not allowed unless and until there is a medical situation or medical emergency. Any other items which could be used for unfair means, like hiding communication devices like microchip, camera, Bluetooth devices, are not allowed, because you will be undergoing a strict scrutiny before entering into the examination center with the high sensitive metal detector. So make sure you are not caught, because be sincere and give your exams to the fullest. Now let's look into the dress code information, which is very important. All these minute informations like the barred items and how you need to be dressed are the last minute important information for the students. The things you should not wear is avoid wearing jeans or leggings. This is the information given. So to as much extent possible, be in a very simple attire. Layering of cloths with jackets is not allowed, and long or full sleeve dresses are not allowed for both men and women. So prefer wearing half sleeve dresses. Don't wear shoes. So for male candidate, especially note that shoes and belts are not allowed. You should not have big buttons in your dresses, or fancy items for fancy embroidery, big zips or badges or flowers, or design pockets, frills, elaborate designs, floral designs. Nothing is allowed. So be as much as simple in your attire. Metallic and non-metallic jewelry is not allowed. Accessories such as chains, earrings, nose pins, pendants, anklets, bangles and bracelets are not allowed. If in case you have the habit of wearing it on a daily basis, please remove all those things before going to the examination center. Keep it in your home itself, because all these valuable things are so precious, you don't have any provision to keep that also. So it is better not to wear those things. But if in case you have a religious restriction or cultural restriction to wear that, go prior the examination time, ask the authorities. They will be checking you thoroughly once or twice. So be ready for that. If you are allowed to wear all those religious things which are to be worn, but you have to face a double check, or you will be requested to have a more time for the checks. So these are the items which should not be worn. So what can I wear? So you can wear light colored dresses, both men and women, like very light colored dresses, very simple dresses, half sleeve dresses or t-shirts, or like even if you are wearing a salwar, wear it with a half sleeve, not full sleeve or 3/4 sleeves, or even not allowed. So make sure you are not wearing a full sleeve dress, and it's very half sleeve one, and both men and women, like you are not allowed to wear any shoe kind things. So make sure you wear a very low heel sandals or slippers or open toed where they can see your toes, and light colored trousers, especially girls, you can wear simple salwars. So make your attire as simple as possible to avoid all those things. Even parents, please have a check on this. Before a day before the exams, you make sure what you're going to wear the next day, because this is your most important day. Be prepared for this, and I think this information is helpful for you. For more such useful informations, please follow our channel Zyner NEET UG. Thank you.